Welcome back to Wicked Wrench Garage. Today we're going to take a look at a shocking spark plug incident involving a 2007 Honda Odyssey. The spark plug from one of the cylinders had actually come out and was stuck under the ignition coil. As you can see, this is definitely not a common sight. After removing the ignition coil, we discovered that the side of the spark plug was totally eroded away. When a spark plug comes out and gets stuck under the ignition coil, several issues can arise. Engine misfires. With the spark plug dislodged, the combustion process in the affected cylinder becomes compromised. This leads to misfires, causing poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. Damage to the ignition coil. The dislodged spark plug can damage the ignition coil if it's lodged between the coil and the engine. This can result in the need for a replacement ignition coil, which can be costly. Potential for further damage. A spark plug that has come out of its threaded hole can cause damage to the cylinder head threads, especially if the engine continues to run. This may require expensive repairs, like rethreading the cylinder head or even replacing it entirely. Overheating and stress. With the spark plug not properly seated, the combustion process in the affected cylinder is disrupted. This can cause excessive heat and stress on the engine components, leading to premature wear and possible failure. Safety concerns. In extreme cases, a dislodged spark plug can pose a safety risk.